Resource leveling. Hi, I'm Bill Carmody, and here today I'm going to talk to you about resource leveling. What is it, why it's important, and how you can apply it. So let's talk about what resource leveling is. Resource leveling is a project management technique that involves resolving over-allocation or scheduling conflicts to ensure a project can be completed with the available resources. Resources that include time, materials, tools, or other things needed to complete a project. Think about it this way. You find yourself over budget. Resource leveling says, how would we have to level out the remaining budget to ensure that we still finish the project on time and within budget? Resource leveling understands that there's going to be hiccups throughout the project. How do you actually make adjustments so that we can absorb the hiccups and still be successful in the outcome? The purpose of resource leveling is to get the most out of available resources while working with the project's time, cost, and scope constraints. Resource leveling can be challenging for project managers as it requires balancing the demands of the same resources across multiple projects. Depending on your team's need, here are some possible outcomes. If the goal is to keep the current project deadline, more resources may be needed in order to be made available. If the goal is to run the project with currently available resources, the deadline of the project may be extended. Resource leveling adjusts resource allocations or project schedules to keep resources from being overextended. This can help maintain the quality of project outputs. Resource leveling, simply put, is a tool that allows project management to understand that we have constraints in our resources and how do we actually level them up to make sure that the projects are finishing with what's most important. So if you think about it, if the most important thing is to meet the deadline, then you're going to be able to add more resources if you're finding that that's what's necessary. If the most important thing is to stay within budget, you're okay to actually give some extension of the time so that you can actually have the same available resources complete their tasks and do it in the most efficient, cost-effective way. Resource leveling can put you back in the control to be able to say, what are some of the checks and balances that I need to make in order to take whatever course corrections we have in this project and make them in such a way that I can finish exactly with what's most important on the project.